Good morning, students. This is Sain Shah, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Administration, KCS Kazinadar College of Arts and Science. Today, our topic is organizational behavior. First of all, what do you mean by organization? Organizational behavior is a study of organizations and individuals working in organizations. It helps to understand human behavior in organizations and way to manage it more effectively. Students, you should know about organization behavior is a study of attitudes, behavior and performance of people employed in organization. By understanding behavior of organizations can foresee how people will behave. They can influence behavior to achieve objectives and improve organizational effectiveness. Definition: according to Stephen P. Robbins, it is a field of study that investigates the impact that individuals, group, and structure have on behavior within organization for the purpose of applying such knowledge towards improving an organization effectiveness. Scope of organization. There are four scope of organization. First one is individual behavior, group behavior, organizational structure, vision and mission. Individual behavior. It studies aspects such as motives, attitudes, perception, personality, learning, stress management, moral, and job satisfaction. These includes individual behavior, and group behavior includes interpersonal behavior, group dynamics, intergroup conflicts, leadership, motivation, communication, and transactional organizations. This group behavior include that superior and subordinate relationship shows in this group behavior. Organizational structure. It implies a formation and structure of formal and informal organization. And last one is vision and mission. It includes vision and mission of the organization, ethics, values, evaluation of performance, and contribution to the society. It also includes rules and regulation of the company. Importance of organizational behavior. Many organizations have many importance in the organization. First one, skill improvement. Study of organizational behavior helps to improve skills. It compulsory improves study of the individual as well as group of the organization. This includes the ability of employees and the use of knowledge to become more efficient. Individual knowledge should be effectively used in this organization. It also improves managers as well as other employees' work skill. Second one, understanding consumer buying behavior. It also an important part to improve the marketing process by understanding consumer buying behavior. Employee motivation. Organization behavior helps to understand the basis of motivation and different ways to motivate employees properly. By way of financial and non-financial motivation, organization behavior motivate their employees like financial and non-financial motivation. And the fourth one is nature of employees. Understanding of personal and employee nature is important to manage them properly. With the help of organization behavior, we can understand whether employees or people are introvert, extrovert, motivated, dominating, etc. And the fifth point, anticipating organizational events. The scientific study of behavior helps to understand and predict organizational events. For example, annual business planning, demand management, product line management, production planning, resource scheduling, logistics, etc. Efficiency and effectiveness. Study of organizational behavior helps to increase efficiency and effectiveness of the organization. Better environment of organization. Organization behavior helps to create a healthy, ethical, and smooth environment in an organization. And last point, optimum or better utilization of resources. Study of organization behavior helps to understand employees and their work style and skill better way. By understanding this, management can train and motivate employees for optimum utilization of resources. Functions of OB. Organization behavior functions. First one, organizational structure. One of the function of organizational behavior is to provide an organizational structure which shows the hierarchical arrangement within an organization of lines of authority, communication, rights and duties of an organization. It shows line of authority. Line of authority must proceed from higher executive to lower at the bottom level, like superior subordinate relationship. And second one, initiatives for motivation. Motivation is a general expression used in diverse approaches. It can be defined as a deed or practice of providing a motive that stays people in accomplishing their jobs and achieving the required objectives. Conflict management. Every organization should have conflict. So, conflict management, one of the main management in organization function. Organizational conflict can be described as a state of discord between individuals of groups of individuals working together. It can be caused by a variety of factors stemming from the actual or perceived oppositions of needs, values, and interest of those individuals or group of individuals. Hope you understand all this explained by me. Thank you.